In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 8024419 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type Services. Click on it under the Best Match. And then you have to simply scroll down and look for the Windows Update service. Right click and then go to Properties. Startup type, change this to automatic. Click on Start. Apply and then okay. Scroll up and look for the background intelligent transfer service. Right click, go to properties. Make sure this is automatic and then you have to click on start, apply and then okay. Then look for the cryptographic services. Change this to automatic. Click on start, apply and then okay. Close this window. The next thing that we can do is to click on the start button and go to settings. Click on system. Click on troubleshoot. Click other troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the run button corresponding to it. So click the run button to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. After running it, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. We can also perform a clean boot. So go to the Windows search bar, type msconfig. Click on it under the best match. Click on the services. Check this box, hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services are still enabled, click on disable all, apply, and then okay. And click on the restart button that will appear from here. And just try to update your Windows after that. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.